There we go. Coaches and yeah, we identify as a coach today. Oh, that was nice. Have a sit down and a chill. Yeah. Opted to skip the fish and chips. I don't know how long they're going to be there until they go around, but yeah, I haven't got unfortunately I haven't got all the time in the world, but that's nice. So I think I'm going to head back, go via the shop, get something for Mum quickly, go from there, I think. RS5, very nice. Oh. I do wonder sometimes. I know someone will see this and be like, bro, I genuinely don't care. I do wonder sometimes, people that are like, oh, you're riding shit, it's really unsafe, you're putting everyone else at risk. Do they actually ride bikes? Like, I'm not being funny. If I decide to do 60 mile an hour on a dead straight road, of course 60 mile an hour, who am I putting at risk other than myself? And that's just down to me at that point. Like, I don't get it. I mean, like, thanks for the view, I guess, but and honestly, yeah, by all means, if you want to say it, say it. I mean, I'll still read it. I don't really care. I'll still probably call you a melt internally, but you know. Yeah, it's just like I'm not being funny. Yeah, you get some real shit riders that are like, you know, weaving in and out of traffic like it's nothing. But like, I'm not being funny. If I go for an overtake and like, you know, hypothetically go slightly quicker than 60. I'm getting the job done, and I'm not being funny, but you should see how the police ride. They'll, you know, even when they're not blue lighting, they'll ride a lot quicker than I do. You know, and are you going to go around to an officer and tell them that they're riding unsafe? I don't think you are. You know, they're doing a lot more overtakes and stuff like that than what you see through my camera. Honestly, it's just a bit weird. Like, get on with your day. Let me have my little bit of fun at the expense of literally just myself, and you crack on. Oh look, dead straight road, time to put everyone at risk. See there, I used my brain, saw they were overtaking, slowed down. Oh look, dead straight road, let's put everyone at risk. Yeah. Sorry, Fiesta, I'll put you at risk. My new Peugeot van. It's not really funny, I can see so far ahead, you know, and obviously only doing 60. Wah, womp womp. All those people I've just put at risk. I think what I'm going to try and do, just after I go to the shops, send a few people for, like, you know, no commentary, just POV rides, put the microphone in a bag, because hopefully that cuts out the wind noise and gets the mic closer to the back, the exhaust end. So I might, on my little ride home, just try that and see how that goes. See how it sounds. I don't know, it might be, you know, it might be pointless, but I don't know. I just want to try it. Yeah, just you know, it's like different style of video and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll have to see. I'll give it a while, and I'll hopefully put a few little snippets in after this. But anyway, boring ride now. Anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Nice to get a really big group of people out. I'll have to, I mean, as the warm weather comes, well, the warmer, it's not too bad today, but as the warmer weather comes in, I have to go out on a few more rides. I think there's a good bunch of people over there, so yeah. Alright, anyway, see you in the next one. Ciao ciao.